Business insurance is one of the most critical protections for any company, regardless of size or industry. It acts as a financial safety net, shielding your business from unexpected events that could otherwise lead to devastating losses. Whether you're running a small startup or an established enterprise, having the right insurance coverage can mean the difference between surviving a crisis and going out of business. Throughout this guide, we'll explore the essential types of business insurance, why they matter, and how to choose the right coverage for your specific needs. Let's understand why business insurance is absolutely essential. First, it protects against lawsuits and legal claims. In today's litigious environment, any business can face legal action from customers, employees, or other parties, and legal costs alone can be financially crippling. Second, insurance prevents financial devastation from unexpected events such as fires, natural disasters, theft, or accidents that could otherwise force you to shut down permanently. Third, insurance is often required by clients, partners, and lenders. Many contracts mandate minimum insurance coverage, and banks typically require proof of insurance before approving business loans. Without adequate coverage, you may lose important business opportunities or financing options. Business insurance can be divided into two core coverage categories. The first is liability insurance, which protects your business against claims of harm or damage caused to others. This includes bodily injury, property damage, and various other legal liabilities. The second major category is property insurance, which covers your physical assets and equipment. This includes your building if you own one, office furniture, computers, inventory, machinery, and other tangible business assets. Most businesses need some combination of both liability and property coverage to ensure comprehensive protection. Understanding these two fundamental categories will help you build a solid foundation for your insurance portfolio. General liability insurance is often considered the foundation of business insurance. It provides coverage for bodily injury, property damage, and personal injury claims made by third parties such as customers, vendors, or visitors to your business. For example, if a customer slips and falls in your store, or if your work accidentally damages a client's property, general liability insurance covers the medical expenses, legal fees, and any settlements or judgments against your business. This type of insurance is essential for customer-facing businesses, retail stores, service providers, and any business with a physical location where clients or customers visit. Most commercial leases and contracts require proof of general liability insurance before you can operate. Professional liability insurance, also called errors and omissions insurance, protects service-based businesses from claims of negligence, mistakes, or failure to deliver promised services. Unlike general liability, which covers physical injuries and property damage, professional liability covers financial losses that clients may suffer due to your professional advice or services. This coverage is crucial for consultants, advisors, accountants, lawyers, architects, real estate agents, technology consultants, marketing professionals, and anyone who provides professional services or expert advice. Even a minor error in your work could lead to significant financial losses for a client, and without this insurance, you could be personally liable for damages that could reach hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars. Workers' compensation insurance is mandatory coverage required by law in most states for any business with employees. This insurance serves a dual purpose. It protects your employees and it protects your business. When an employee suffers a work-related injury or illness, workers' compensation covers their medical expenses, rehabilitation costs, and a portion of their lost wages while they recover. This coverage applies regardless of who was at fault for the injury. In exchange for this guaranteed coverage, employees generally cannot sue their employer for workplace injuries. This system protects businesses from potentially devastating lawsuits while ensuring employees receive prompt medical care and financial support. Failing to carry workers' compensation when required can result in severe penalties, fines, and even criminal charges. Property insurance protects the physical assets that your business depends on to operate. This includes buildings if you own your location, as well as equipment, inventory, furniture, computers, and other tangible business property. Coverage typically protects against common risks such as fire, theft, vandalism, and natural disasters like storms or floods. Without property insurance, a single fire or break-in could wipe out years of investment in equipment and inventory. The policy can cover the cost to repair or replace damaged property, helping your business recover and resume operations quickly. If you lease your space, property insurance still covers your equipment, inventory, and improvements you've made to the location. The amount of coverage you need depends on the total value of all your business property. Beyond the basic coverage types, there are several specialized insurance options that many modern businesses need. Cyber insurance protects against data breaches, hacking attacks, and cyber extortion, covering costs like customer notification, credit monitoring, legal fees, and regulatory fines. Product liability insurance covers injuries or damages caused by defective products you manufacture, distribute, or sell. Business interruption insurance replaces lost income and covers ongoing expenses if your business is forced to close temporarily due to a covered event like a fire or natural disaster. Umbrella insurance provides additional liability coverage beyond the limits of your standard policies, offering an extra layer of protection for catastrophic claims. Depending on your industry and specific risks, you may need one or more of these additional coverages to fully protect your business. Choosing the right business insurance involves a thoughtful three-step process. First, assess your business risks and specific needs by considering your industry, size, location, number of employees, types of services or products you offer, and potential liability exposures. Make a comprehensive list of what could go wrong and what assets need protection. Second, compare quotes from multiple insurance providers. Don't just look at price. Examine coverage limits, deductibles, exclusions, and the insurer's reputation for handling claims. Working with an independent insurance broker can help you access multiple carriers and find the best value. Third, review coverage limits and policy exclusions carefully before purchasing. Make sure you understand what is and isn't covered, and verify that coverage amounts are sufficient to protect your business adequately. Remember, the cheapest policy isn't always the best value if it leaves you underinsured. Let's recap the essential points about business insurance. First and foremost, insurance is essential protection, not optional. The cost of insurance is minimal compared to the potential financial devastation of an uninsured loss. Treat insurance as a necessary business expense, just like rent or utilities. Second, review and update your policies annually. As your business grows, your insurance needs will change. Schedule an annual review with your insurance provider to ensure your coverage keeps pace with your business. Add new coverage as you hire employees, launch new products, or expand into new markets. Finally, match your coverage to your specific business risks. Every business is unique, so avoid the temptation to simply copy what another business has. Work with a knowledgeable insurance professional to identify your particular risks and build a customized insurance program that provides comprehensive protection at a reasonable cost. Protecting your business today ensures it can thrive tomorrow.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.